I feel like pranking my brother. Like.
Who was that?
Yo. I wanted to. Yo, Dad.
What up, man?
I wanted to congratulate you.
Thanks, dude. Well, hold on, let me go get it right quick.
Yeah. I wanted to congratulate you on 100K.
You missed everything, man.
Yeah, I know. Yo, EDP, how you been, bro? You still been getting them cupcakes?
Yes, I did. Yep.
Yeah! Big 100K!
All thanks to you, dude.
Let's go!
Yeah.
That looks nice. Hey, I don't even have one yet. That's crazy. I
got one.
I don't even got a plaque yet. That is crazy. Nah, congratulations.
Thanks, dude. I love you, man.
Yeah, love you too. Yeah, love both of y'all. How y'all been?
We been good. Real good.
Your brother having a sleepover tonight.
Gay. Ha.